Everyone, I present to you the biggest device we've ever unboxed. Not like status-wise, but it's physically the largest box we've ever unboxed. This is freaking huge. Here's my smartphone for scale. This is a very, very big item, so we're gonna unbox this. This is a completely personal item I bought on an auction site, and yeah. Mike's always telling me, hey, if you buy stuff, just review it, like unbox it, review it, and upload it. People might like to see what you received, basically, and you know, that's what I'm doing. I just realized they're using this super, super thin packing tape that is completely, it's so difficult to take off. Let's just, I'm gonna undo this and then get back to you guys. Alright, I took off all the tape, so let's open this up. This is Star Wars Jedi Challenges. Actually, I'll show you guys just a little bit of the box first. There's the top, there's the side, another side, basically the same thing. Oh, a lightsaber! Yes! I mean, I knew it was in there, obviously, but yeah! Oh, cool! Wow, that's really nice. So you get the little belt latch that is usually on all the lightsaber models and replicas. You get a micro USB cable port to charge it. This is a very squishy rubber. It squishes down, so that's really nice. Gives you good grip when you're flailing it around. It is, yeah, made in China. Okay, just checking. Always like to check. It's pretty detailed if you see here, like a couple of the pins. You can see the edges on this protruding piece. It's very detailed, very well done. This is squishy so that if you end up launching it into a wall trying to do like a force throw, it won't stick to the wall, just bounce off because it is full rubber. And I'm wondering if this has any power. Yes. Does it make any noise? Like, does it have speakers? It's probably just for in-game, but it's very highly detailed. It looks really nice. And yeah, let's look at the rest of the box. Wow, that's really cool. Dang. All right. Star Wars Jedi Challenges. What's this? Something was in here and it isn't anymore. No, this was not new when I got it. I'm into it really light, so it's not. I'm not. I didn't bury myself in it. It says Disney on the bottom, of course. You see right there. Yeah, already has some Pro Pack batteries. They really spared no expense on those batteries. Oh, still got some plastic on there. That's good. This is probably the receiver of some sort, so that when you're locating yourself in your room, you know what I mean, you plant that down. You have some miscellaneous documentation here: Jedi Challenges, safety, warranty, and product guide. Do not throw this at you know, the TV screen. They're probably going to say, I almost guarantee it's in there. We have a mystery box. And yeah, we got a wall port charger. So this is standard Lenovo USB into one, well, Lenovo branded, separate. USB into the back and standard wall port on this side. I'm going to turn this off. This is going to, I don't want to cut my table or my equipment. And we have some USB to USB. This is the first time I've ever seen this, actually. A micro USB jump 90-degree angle bends. That's really interesting. I'm going to have to use that. I almost guarantee it. They wouldn't just send some random cable to me. And another, oh, and this is micro USB to lightning cable 90-degree angle bends. And this is USB-C to micro USB, so there's something going on here. We'll get into that in the full review, of course. And a micro USB cable as well. This is the piece de resistance. Yes, love my accent. You get a decusant pack. Do not eat that. Nothing else in the box. No, just stick my head under there. Looks like someone's already... Oh, let's put this back so when I sell it, I'll just put it right back there. Yeah, you idiot. So you get a static-proof bag, I assume. It's very static-proof-y. Nothing else is in the bag. And you get... Whoa! Some mirror action going on here. This has a head band, of course. Head strap with some nose and cheek dampeners and a headrest. A forehead rest. It doesn't look like there's any weird hair or oil on this, so it wasn't probably used to that extent. There's like mirrors inside and on the side and everything, so this is going to be pretty cool to put on. It looks like you have the Lenovo badging on the side. You have a button with 2 points here, either a single or a press and hold action, perhaps a horizontal button and a vertical button, and probably a speaker right there. Oh, this opens. Oh, it's not a speaker. It's a vent for various plugs and ports. We will get into all this in the full review once more. You can see Disney branding right there. They have branded the heck out of this thing. The housing as well is made in China. I have a serial number there. 2017 October manufacture, and nothing else opens. Looks like you have some little laser ports up there. And yeah, that's basically everything that comes along in the box. Once again, this is not Goody Reader related. I get that. I know that. I'm not an idiot. But it was, I ended up bidding on it as a goof, ended up winning it, and here we are. So I'm basically going to get my lightsaber on, and I'll check back with you guys and do a full review if we feel that the full review would be worthy. So for goodyreader.com, and an unboxing of the, let me get the box, Star Wars Jedi Challenges by Lenovo. This is Peter.